PowerPivot. PowerPivot is a very powerful data analysis tool for large volumes of data. By default, you don't have PowerPivot as a tab, but to bring the tab, you need to go to the File, you need to go to the Options, you need to go to Add-ins, you need to change Manage to COM Add-ins, then click on Go, and here you can see PowerPivot. Just check that and click on OK. And you can see a new tab is added, and here you can see few of the things that it can do. For example, it can tell you the KPIs of the business, the measures, and if you want to learn more about what it can do, you can go to a website by Microsoft and it gives you some of the tasks that it can perform: create hierarchies, create relationships between tables. You can create sophisticated dashboards to represent large volumes of data.